GMGers, thank you for continue supporting us. Today, I have chess trivia. Did you know that William James Lombardi has world record for 11 out of 11 score in the 1957 World Junior Chess Championship? Now, let's analyze one of his best games, which also found in 1957 in US Championship, wherein Black played normal moves but later on found his position inferior. Without further ado, let's go now to the game. Lombardi played knight f3, Kramer played d5, g3, c5, bishop g2, knight c6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4. It looks like Greenfield defense with opposite color, in which white has extra tempo. Knight f6, then c4, immediately challenge the pawn at d5, and the bishop at g2 is so strong. Queen b6, knight takes c6, b takes c6, knight c3, e6. D takes c4 is strong because weakening of pawn structure. Then white can castle first, followed by queen a4 or bishop e3, attacking the two weak pawns, the c6 pawn and the c4 pawn. After e6, castle, bishop e7, normal move, c takes d5, c takes d5. At this point, at first sight, black is okay and solid. But after e4, white position crashes. As I said earlier, black played normal moves, but later on found himself inferior. Castle. Safety first, also the best option. If d4, then e5. Opens up the long diagonal for strong white bishop at g2. Then if d takes c3, e takes f6, c takes b2, bishop takes b2, queen takes b2, f takes e7. There is checkmate at d8 and bishop takes a8. If knight d5, after e5, knight takes d5, e takes d5, bishop takes d5. White is winning because of extra pawn and also development advantage. If d takes e4, opens up the game, knight takes e4, knight takes e4, bishop takes e4, rook b8, then bishop f4. The rook is trapped. If bishop b7 after bishop takes e4, then queen a4, check. And black king cannot castle. Now let's go back to castle. E takes d5, then bishop a6. Development of bishop first. Rook e1, normal move. Bishop c5, activating the bishop, but it is helpful for white. Bishop e3, bishop takes e3, rook takes e3, rook a d8, queen b3, immediately move out along the pin. Then e takes d5, if queen takes b3, A takes b3, the black light bishop is under attack. And after rook d6, d takes e6. White is simply one pawn up. After e takes d5, knight takes d5, knight takes d5, bishop takes d5, queen f6. As principal said, if you are behind in material, don't exchange your pieces, especially the heavy one. Rook ae1, controlling the e file. Rook d7, queen a3. The threat is queen takes f8. After king takes f8, rook e8, checkmate. Queen d6. Now we reach one of the outstanding chess puzzle in our GMG chess page. I give you 15 to 20 minutes to solve this. Time is up. Some answered bishop takes f7, but after rook f takes f7, rook e8, rook f8 force, rook takes f8, king takes f8 force. If queen takes a6, queen f3, queen f6. This is the main point for black. After this move, white is losing because white is expecting rook f7, which is bad move. There is queen a8 check, queen d8, queen takes d8, checkmate. And also, if king g8 after queen f3 check, there is rook e8, check, queen f8, rook takes f8, checkmate. But after queen f6, then queen a8 check, queen d8, queen f3 check, then king g8. Black is winning because of extra bishop. Some answered queen takes d6, but after rook takes d6, nothing for white. The last and most of our followers answered bishop c6, which is the best and the answer to this puzzle. All other reply for black leads to immediate loss. One of them, if queen takes a3, then rook takes a3. The bishop is under attack, also the rook is under attack. Then if bishop c8, bishop takes d7, bishop takes d7, rook takes a7, white is winning. After rook takes a3, if rook d6, rook takes a6, if rook c8, bishop b7. Again, white has extra bishop. After bishop c8, bishop takes d7, queen takes d7, rook d3, then queen d6. At this point, black resigned because of material and there is a queen takes f8 threat. After queen a5, there is b4. Then black is forced to trade the queen at b6. If not, there is queen takes f8. And this one is easy win for white. Again, thank you for watching and continue supporting us. And you can expect that we will upload more valuable chess videos for your chess improvement. Thank you and have a great day, GMGers.